How to fix GTA V error code in Social Club Launcher from Steam on Windows. So if you want to fix GTA V error code in Social Club Launcher from Steam on Windows, then what you need to do is just go with your browser, and here you need to search for Social Club Launcher server status and check the service or status of the social club. If it's working, then your problem might be fixed, but if it is not, then just wait for 1 or 2 hours, and after that you can try and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next solution. Is you need to quit and then restart your Steam. So if you're using Steam right here on your taskbar, what you need to do is just right click on it or just click on it, and you need to exit your Steam, or go with the hidden icons which is right here, and you need to click on the Steam and go with exit. You need to exit your Steam. Once you click on exit, you just need to simply again search for Steam, and you need to restart your Steam. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and launch your Steam as an administrator. Here you will have your Steam, right? So you just need to simply right click on it and then go with run as administrator and click on yes. And after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next step, which is you need to restart Steam client service. So you need to open up your services, search for services, open up your services. Once you've done that, you need to go with the service, which is Steam. So search for Steam client service. Once you have this, here on the left side, you will have start. But if it is already started, then you just need to simply go with restart. And once you restart the service, then your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your GTA V error code in Social Club Launcher from Steam on your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.